Hey lovies, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my daily hair growth spray. I'm actually here in the kitchen now. I'm going to fill up the pot with all my ingredients. What I'm going to be using is horsetail. I'm going to be using some horsetail. I'm going to be using some rosemary as well as some fenugreek water. Okay, so right now I'm going to put in 1 cup of distilled water. I'm going to be putting in a half cup of fenugreek water. I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of the rosemary. I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of horsetail. That's 1 tablespoon of horsetail, 2 tablespoons of rosemary. I'll have it on the screen for you guys so you'll be able to see it. And then I'm going to place that on medium heat. Okay, let me go ahead and give it a stir. Okay, so let me just tell you a little bit about the benefits. When it comes to rosemary, rosemary is known to boost blood circulation to your hair follicles, helping you have faster hair growth. It also helps with preventing hair from thinning and premature shedding. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to really soothe your itchy, flaky scalp if that's something you suffer with. It also increases your hair thickness over time, and it also darkens your gray hair if you have gray hair. Okay, now my mom has gray hair. You can see that in one of the videos that I did on her hair. I'll have it linked up above. But this will be really good for her hair as well because it will help to darken up her gray hair if that's what she so chooses, right? Okay, when it comes to horsetail, horsetail is really good as well for promoting hair growth. It contains silica in it, which helps to strengthen your strands and promote hair growth. It also helps with reducing hair breakage and split ends. It helps to fight dandruff and itchy scalps. And it also has some collagen boosting properties in it as well, which help you to have useful, healthy hair. Okay. Now, fenugreek, fenugreek is a oldie but goodie. A lot of people use fenugreek, and I went ahead and I soaked some fenugreek seeds. I'll show y'all in another video what I'm going to be doing with that. But the water that I used to soak those seeds is the water that I used to pour in here just now. And just to give you a little bit of fenugreek benefits, fenugreek helps to strengthen your hair. It's also rich in protein. So a lot of these ingredients have the same beneficial properties to it. Fenugreek also helps with preventing shedding, breakage. It helps to hydrate and soften your hair, and it also fights against dandruff. Okay, so I'm gonna have this sit for like a good 30 to 45 minutes on low heat, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I apply it to my hair. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so it's actually done. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. I still have that left. Okay, so I strained it, put that in there. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna transfer it into my spray bottle and show you guys how I use it on my hair. Okay. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I put the liquid in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray through my hair. I went ahead and I did some crochet mini braids on my hair, which I probably have it for about a good 3 weeks. And then I'll take it out and then go ahead with my next style. So basically what I do is I part it. Go ahead and I part it, and then I just spritz it. Spritz it all through my hair, and it feels very refreshing. You can keep this in your refrigerator for about a week before I would suggest that you go ahead and make you a whole new batch. But this is basically what I do. Spritz it all the way down, and then I just take my hands and I gently massage my scalp like that, and I just go through. So I'm gonna play some music and continue to go through my hair. That's basically it. And then I just, gently massage it. Massage, massage, just massage it. I go in between and I massage it. And if I want and I feel it's necessary, I'll go in with my hair growth oil and just massage that in. And at night, I throw on my scarf, and that's about it. So there you have it. Go ahead and give it a try. It has a lot of growth benefits to it. If you're trying to grow your hair out, go ahead and give it a try. I'll have all the ingredients, the measurements, and all of that linked down below. If you're interested in buying the horsetail, I have that link, the fenugreek seed, and all that good stuff. I'll have it linked down below. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Go ahead and subscribe, give the video a like. If you have any questions or anything you want to leave me in the comment section, feel free to go ahead and do that. And if you enjoyed this video, I ask that you check out this video as well, because this video is a good one too, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. I love you with the love of Christ. Bye-bye.